So we're going to start with Audacity. It's really pretty easy to use. You can just drag sounds in like so and then listen to them. Now what I was looking for is the click-clack of the train track that was going to play throughout my sound. And you can see actually the sound waves that look good for that. So I'm going to delete some of it, and you just highlight it and click the delete key and highlight it. Oops, didn't go to that last part. And delete it. And now I don't have my train sound. So I'm going to go grab another sound, and maybe I'll do the kids. So I wanted really loud sounds. So I can, if I listen to this now, and start at the beginning, it has both my sounds, which you hardly hear the train tracks, although you can. But if I just want to hear the kids, I can make that track solo for now. So it turns out these kids are going in Russian, I believe. So I don't really want somebody to understand what the words are, and I don't necessarily need it to go on the song, although my escape's going to go on for like a minute. But here's where I can now experiment with different effects. So I think on this one what I tried was echo. And you can preview that. Now, what I'm trying to figure out is, does it... I think what I want to do is just highlight that sound and then do the effect. Yes. Okay, and then I can go ahead and say, okay, that. The other thing I want to do is need to make sure that these sounds fade out over time. So I'm going to try that. And you can see if I play it now near the end. It gets smaller and smaller. But now I also need to make sure my train sound is repeating. So I can take that, do a Command C, copy, then paste it, paste it, paste it. Paste it, so it's as far as I want it to go. And now I can listen to both of them again. Okay, and then I can bring another sound in and keep working with the sounds. And it'll just keep adding a new track. Now you'll see this one is really long. It's 3 minutes. I definitely don't want a 3-minute track. But again, I'll listen to it solo. Listen to it over here. So it looks like there's a section here I could take. So I'm going to delete this section and delete this section. And now remember, if I want to just have the effect be on this, I'm going to highlight it and then try doing maybe that reverb. So it sounds like it's in someplace now, which is interesting. I also want to fade this track out. Not yet. No, first I want to repeat it. You also can't do anything with the tracks while they're playing. All right, so I repeat it, and yeah, that looks like long enough, and then I highlight the whole thing again and do the fade. It will fade up the whole thing like that. So that's it. You just keep experimenting. There's tons of effects here. Speed, amplify, pitch, noise reduction, phaser, experiment with all of them, but think about how the soundscape you wanted to create will work with these effects. And once you're done, let's make sure that you save your project, and then you're going to export your audio. You should be able to export it as a WAV file without any problems. That's this kind of file. But if you want it as MP3, there's going to have to be a file that you install. So good luck.